Welcome to another interesting English grammar class. Look at this question. She smiled, blank, she had a secret. What should be the correct expression to fix here? Should it be as well as, or as soon as, or as if? Which of them can fit in here and make the sentence complete? Don't worry, in this video, I intend to teach you exactly when to use these expressions in sentences to avoid grammar mistakes. Okay, the three of them are conjunctions. In other words, they are used for connection while speaking. Let's begin with as well as. We use as well as to mean in addition to. In other words, we use as well as to add extra information to what has been said. For instance, when you mention something and you want to add to it, you can use as well as. That means in addition to what you just said. Okay? Now let's pick out some examples from here so you understand exactly when and how to use it in a sentence. Before we do that, I want you to note that whenever as well as joins two subjects, the verb usually agrees with the first subject. That means in a sentence where you have as well as, there must be two subjects. Don't worry, you will understand better as I explain with these examples, okay? The first example for as well as is number 4. She can sing, blank, dance. She can sing as well as dance. We already have information here about her. She can sing. And we want to add more information, which is to say that she can also dance. So this means in addition to. So in addition to singing, she also dances. Okay. The next is number 5. Lucy, blank, her friends, is attending the event. Lucy, as well as her friends, is attending the event. Using as well as here shows that it is not only Lucy that is attending the event, her friends are also included. So this means in addition to. Now remember I earlier said that we have two subjects, and the verb usually agrees with the first subject whenever we use as well as. So this is the first subject, Lucy, and the second subject in this sentence is her friends. Now, do you wonder why we use is here? We use is because the verb must agree with the first subject, which is Lucy. Lucy is one person, so that is the reason why we use is here. Okay, we don't consider the second subject when using as well as. Lucy, as well as her friends, is attending the event. The next is number 8. John sings, blank, plays guitar. As well as is the correct expression here. John sings as well as plays guitar. Now you can see that we are using as well as to add more information to John sings. In other words, he does not only sing, he also plays guitar. So this is in addition to what John does. In addition to. Also note that we have a comma here to show that this is the first information and this is the second information added to this. Okay, now let's look at the next expression, which is as soon as. We use as soon as to mean immediately after. So when you want to express that an action should happen immediately after another, you use as soon as. Okay, that means there must be two actions. One happens after the first one. Okay, now let's look at examples so that you understand better. I will explain further as we do so. The first is number 2. I left the office, blank, the meeting ended. As soon as. I left the office as soon as the meeting ended, immediately after. So you can see that we have two actions. The first action is that the meeting ended, and the next action that happened immediately after that is that I left the office. Okay, now let's look at the next one, which is number 3. Call me blank, you arrive as soon as. Call me as soon as you arrive. Here, this sentence suggests that one action will happen immediately after another. Okay, what is the first action here? You arrive. So immediately you arrive, what happens? Call me. So this suggests one action happening immediately after another. Next is number 9. Blank, the rain stopped. The children ran outside. We use as soon as. Here, this sentence suggests that one action happened immediately after the other. And what is the first action? The rain stopped. Immediately after that, the children ran out. So the action happened immediately after the other. This sentence also shows that as soon as can appear at the beginning of a sentence. Okay, next is number 11. This is the last example for as soon as. Okay, here we also have two actions. I will send the document, and the second action is I finish it. So one action will happen immediately after the other. As soon as. Now, what happens immediately after I finish it? I will send the document. So this comes first before this. Okay. Now, let's look at the last expression, which is as if. We use it to make something look like it is true. Like something is true. So when you want to show that something looks like it is true, even when it is not, use as if. As we look at examples, I will explain better, okay? First is number 1. He talks blank, he knows everything. He talks as if he knows everything. What this means is that it may not be true that he knows everything, but we use as if to express it like it is true that he knows everything. Next is number 6. She smiled blank. She had a secret. What do you think about this one? She smiled as if she had a secret. What this sentence suggests is that her smile makes it look like it is true that she had a secret. Using as if here makes it look like it is true, even when it is not. Let's look at number 7. They stared at me blank. I had done something wrong. Have I done something wrong? Let's fix as if here. Now, I may not have done anything wrong. Using as if here makes it look like it is true. Let's look at the last one for as if, which is number 10. He spent money blank. He were a millionaire. As if. This sentence suggests that someone is not a millionaire. We are only imagining. So using as if here makes it look like it is true. At this point, I want you to note that we often use a past form after as if when the situation is unreal or imaginary. Here we are imagining that the person is a millionaire. That is the reason why we use were. Here is the last question, and it is for you to answer in the comment section, choosing any of the expressions, as soon as well as, or as if. The manager blank. The workers was happy with the decision? Let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next grammar class.